How to add multiple accounts in Outlook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up the Outlook application on your device. Now at the top left corner, tap on the Google icon. Now tap on the plus icon. Now simply tap on add an account. If you don't have an account, simply tap on create new account. Now enter your email address. Now tap on continue. Now wait for some time. Now select your account. Again wait for some time and tap on continue. Now select all the permissions. Now scroll down and tap on continue. Again wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.